Hello students, ang topic po natin ngayon ay multiplication and division of fractions. Please like, share, and subscribe to Ma'am Des Math Tutorials. Hit the notification bell button to alert you for our updated video lesson. Rules for multiplication of fractions. To multiply rational numbers in fraction form, simply multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. So again, imumultiply po natin yung numerator at saka po imumultiply yung denominators. In symbol, we have A over B times C over D equals AC all over BD, where B and D are not equal to 0. Okay? So, yun pong B at saka yung D or yung denominator should not be equal to 0. Example 1. Multiply 3/4 times 5 over 6. So, again, sabi po natin, multiply the numerators and then multiply the denominators. So, ano po ba ang numerators? Ano po ba ang denominators ng example 1? Okay, so we have 3 and 5 is the numerator, and then denominator, we have 4 and 6. So, i-multiply lang po yan. 3 times 5 equals 15. And then 4 times 6 equals 24. Now, so we have to reduce your product into lowest term. So, paano po tayo mag-reduce into lowest term? So, 15 and 24. Find the GCF or the greatest common factor of 15 and 24. Ayan, so we have 3 over 3. So, divide 15 divided by 3 and 24 divided by 3. So, we have the answer 5 over 8. So, now our fraction is now in lowest term. Therefore, the product of 3/4 and 5/6 is equal to 5 over 8. Example 2. Multiply 2 and 1/4 times 5 and 4/6. So, as you can see, we have mixed number. So, para po masagutan ito, i-change muna yung mixed number into improper fractions. Paano nga po? Multiply yung 4, which is the denominator, by the whole number and add the numerator. Ayan. So, again, express the mixed numbers in improper fractions. Okay. So, 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1 is 9/4. Then, 6 times 5 is 30 plus 4 equals 34 over 6. Ayan. So, pwede na po nating i-multiply. So, simply by dividing by a common factor. Okay. So, paano po? Pwede po natin siyang gamitin or pwedeng gamitin ang cancellation method kasi meron pong common factor. Like for example, 9 at saka 6. Okay. So we have the common factor between 9 and 6. We have 3. So i-divide mo lang siya. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Then 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. Okay. Tapos, yung 4, common factor ng 34 at saka 34. So, we have 2. Okay? So, i-divide mo lang siya. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. And 34 divided by 2 is equal to 7. Okay? So, now, multiply the numerator. So, we have 3 times 17 and 2 times 2. So, 51 over 4. Okay? You can change it into mixed number. Yung 51, i-divide po ng 4. So, your answer is 12. And then, we have the remainder, 3. So, we will have, write 3 in the numerator and then 4 in the denominator. Therefore, we have the product of final answer is 12 and 3/4. Next one is for the division of fractions. Here is the rule. To divide rational numbers in fraction form, you take the reciprocal of the second fraction, called the divisor, and multiply it by the first fraction. So, paano pong gagawin natin? Kapag magdi-divide tayo ng fraction, yung second fraction or the divisor will get the reciprocal and you will proceed to multiplication. So, babalik ka sa multiplication. So, in symbol, we have A over B divided by C over D equals A over B times D over C equals AD all over BC. Okay? So, kung nakikita po natin, yung C over D, get the reciprocal, it becomes D over C, and then, nag-multiply na. Sample 1. 4/5 divided by 2/3. So, sabi po natin, get the reciprocal of the second fraction, which is the divisors. Okay. Get the reciprocal of the second fraction, which is 2/3. So, yung 2/3 po, anong mangyayari? 4/5 times 3 over 2. So, yung 2/3, get the reciprocal, we have 3 over 2. Okay, tapos multiply na po natin. Ayan, so we have 4 times 3 equals 12 and then 5 times 2 equals 10. Pwede po nating i-reduce to lowest term. So ano po ang gagawin? You have to divide 12 over 10 by 2. So we have now 6 over 5. Therefore, the quotient of 4/5 divided by 2/3 is 6/5. Next. Example 2. Divide 3 and 3/4 divided by 2 and 1/2. Okay, so for this, you have to get the improper fraction of the given mixed number. Okay, for example 2, divide 3 and 3/4 divided by 2 and 1/2. So, anong gagawin natin? I-change po natin sa improper. Paano po yon? I-multiply yung 4 at saka 3. Ito po, multiply. So, we have 3 times 4 is 12. And then, i-plus yung numerator. So, we have 15. Okay? And then, copy the denominator. So, we have 15 over 4. Next one. 2 times 2. Okay? Times po ito. And then, we have 4 and then plus 1. So, we have 5. Okay? So, then kopyahin lang yung denominator. So, 5 over 2. Now, sabi po natin, get the reciprocal of the divisor. And this is our divisor. Okay? 5 over 2 is our divisor. Now, so, copy uli yung 15 over 4, yung first fraction, and then multiply po sila ng reciprocal ni 5 over 2, which is 2/5. Okay? Now, so multiply the numerators. 15 times 2 is 30, and 4 times 5 is 20. Okay, next, get the lowest term. So, 30 over 20, it becomes 3/2 or 1 and 1/2. There is another way or another rules in division of fractions. Okay, first, keep. Keep the first fractions or copy the first fractions. And the other one, change. What you're going to change is the division sign to multiplication sign. And then the last one is flip. Write down the reciprocal of the divisor. Then multiply using the rules for multiplication of fractions. So again, flip or get the reciprocal of the divisor. So again, keep, change, and flip. Example. Okay, 4/5 divided by 2/3 equals. So 4/5, copy or keep. Division symbol, change to multiplication. And then 2/3, flip, it becomes 3/2. Okay? So now multiply 4 times 3 is 12. And then 5 times 2 is equal to 10. And then get the lowest term of 12/10. So we have 6/5. Paano po nakuha ang 6/5? 12 divided by 2 is 6. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Okay, so for your activity, i-post yung video and then find the answer of the following. So find the quotient or product of the following fractions. So write your answer in simplest form. Let us end our discussion from a math quote. Mathematics is not about numbers, equations, computations, or algorithms. It is about understanding by William Paul Thurston, an American mathematician. Thank you for watching and please support Ma'am Desma tutorial. See you on my next video. Bye-bye!